This is a video from my new course, Pluck Around and Find Out, where we take famous melodies and learn how to transform them into banjo arrangements. Check it out at happybanjodude.com.